but like adding false lashes just gives it a little bit of spice. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I actually feel like I haven't sat down here to do a makeup tutorial for you guys in such a long time, and I feel like one is definitely overdue. So obviously I have like a new foundation routine, and I put this look on my Snapchat right here a few days ago, and I got so many requests for me to do a tutorial for you guys. So here is my updated foundation routine slash my everyday go-to makeup tutorial. So if you're interested in how I achieve this look, keep on watching. So when I do my makeup, I love starting with my eyebrows. Like my eyebrows are like my number one thing to start with. I'm going to be using this new brow pencil by Too Faced. I think it's called the Super Fine Brow Detailer. I'm just going to go in and quickly outline my brows. When I do my brows, I like following the natural shape. I don't try to make like a new shape. I'm going to just stick my spoolie into my brow gel and start brushing up my eyebrow hairs. To avoid ghost brows, I'm using a skin tone concealer to clean up the top of my brows. Then I'm going to use a lighter concealer to clean up below my brows. So when I do my foundation routine, I actually like to apply my highlighter right underneath my foundation. It goes on the same time with my primer. I'm going to apply this here on the high points of my cheeks and a little bit on the tip of my nose as well. Let's go ahead and just blend this out. Once my highlight is kind of done underneath my base, I'm going to go in with a primer, and I'm going to be using a mattifying primer. I'm just going to apply it in areas that I need it, which number one are my smile lines. Let's go ahead and just press that in. So I'm going to go ahead and set my primer with my translucent setting powder, and this is in the shade Medium Deep. Guys, I promise this is going to give you like the most flawless base for your makeup. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and just highlight my face first. Then I'm going to go in with my liquid blush right here by Rare Beauty. Then I'm going to go in with our contour. I realized I haven't applied my foundation yet, but this is what I've been doing recently. So I'm going to take the back of my sponge and just start blending in the contour and the blush. I don't have to blend it in all the way, so I'm not going to. Now we can blend in our highlight. Let's not forget this piece as well. To define my nose, I'm using my contour concealer and blending this out with my brush. I'm going to just take a blending sponge and just start softening those harsh lines. Just like that, my nose contour is done. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm using my MAC Skin Finish Foundation in the shade NC55, and this is now at coverage, so like right here and on my cheeks as well. So guys, do you see this skin work? Like, do you see it? Look, remember the highlighter I put underneath? Look at how it's peeking through. You know, the contour is done. My foundation looks flawless. Like, honestly, this has been the best method for my foundation recently. My makeup doesn't feel as cakey. It doesn't look that cakey. And it just works. just press the setting powder in, really on my forehead and on my nose. Don't forget to also set your eyelid and where you applied your concealer. Once my face is set, I typically move into my eyeliner, and I feel like this was the main focus of this entire look, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Let's zoom in some more, shall we? Perfect. Okay, the eyeliner I'm using today is the Sephora. I don't know if you guys can see this. Is it focused? I don't know. New Camera Chronicles. Let's see. Why is it back on my hand? Okay, cool. So this is the new eyeliner I've been using. It's the Sephora liquid eyeliner. I swear by this stuff. It's phenomenal, guys. It really is. That's how I start my eyeliner. So I'm going to do the wing. I don't make it too long, okay, because mistakes can happen. I'm going to go back in and thicken the eyeliner, but just from the middle of my eye and join it to my wing. So now we're going to fill it in. So I'm going to do my cat eye. Like that. So my eyeliner and my eyelashes are done, guys. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Aqua Resist eyeliner. And this is just going to tie my eyes together. You guys are going to see what I mean. I'm going to take this and line my waterline. I'm making sure I join it to my cat eye, like that. Do you guys see that? Like, do you see? So right now we're going to go ahead and set our contour, and I'm using my Juvia's Place bronzer. I'm gonna take this shade right here and just slightly define my nose contour a little bit more. And just use this on my eyelid a little bit, just a tad bit. Okay, making sure to bring it out like so. We're also going to take the same palette and set our liquid contour from before. Just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Some powder blush, just a little bit, like. We're gonna take some of our powder highlights, and this has been my favorite one recently. This is the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish Highlighter. I'm gonna take a little bit like so, and just right here on my nose, like that. And then let's just blend that in. I'm gonna take a little bit of that as well, and just slightly, ever so lightly, okay? And I'm using my Lancome mascara. Obviously any mascara would work. And just do my bottom lashes. I'm going to take a little bit of my High Profile Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade number 8, I think. I'm going to go ahead and take my lip gloss, it's a pink one. So guys, this is pretty much my look. This is like my everyday go-to makeup look I've been doing recently, and I have been loving it so far. Let's go ahead and set this face though. So I like setting my face twice. So this is the All Nighter Urban Decay Setting Spray. Okay guys, so this is my final makeup look. This is pretty much my everyday go-to makeup look. When I'm going for brunch, I wear this. When I'm going to the club, I wear this. Typically without false lashes though, but like adding false lashes just gives it a little bit of spice, you know. So with that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you check out my description box right down below for all the links to the makeup products that I used. Everything is going to be listed right down below, and hopefully like this makeup tutorial actually helps somebody out there, because you guys are like, Toni, you have to do a tutorial for this look. Now that I've done it, please watch it, okay? And yeah, until next time, my loves, peace and love. Mwah.